Good morning and welcome to the new lesson. And in this lesson, we are going to learn the module 2, lesson 1, extrude command. In the extrude command, first in the sketch environment, we have extrude two options. One is you make the sketch first. In that you can select the sketch and extrude, or go to extrude command and select the loop. I will explain one by one. Then we can go inside the extrude tool and select a plane and sketch. So this particular option is useful, is very much you should be comfortable with all the sketch tools. Otherwise, if any mistake happens, it will be very difficult to correct. Then after that, in the extrude, some options are there, like start value, symmetric value, end value, something like that. Then draft, adding angle. So these are the options. So we will see all these one by one. Let us start. So go to the new and let us save as lesson again 1. Lesson 1. Let it be there only, no problem. Then okay. So we will go as like this. So first one, we are going to make a sketch, then select the extrude option. Okay. So we can go here, sketch, and select the required plane, then okay. Then we can make a sketch. Let us say I'm going to make a rectangle, say center rectangle, and selecting the point, then drawing this rectangle. Then I want to add another one more loop inside this. Let us say a circle, symbol profile. Then finish sketch. So to get the trimetric or isometric, we can select this isometric. Okay. The first option, you can go here, extrude, and select the loop. Let us say this particular option. You can select like this, or you can select this like this. So one by one you have to select. Or you can press control key and select this to remove. I think shift key. So we can do like this. This is one option. Okay. So I'm not going to do that. Next option is you select the sketch, then go for extrude. So automatically the closed sketch, it will select the island and it will automatically make the profile. This is one option. Let us delete the sketch. So I want to delete this. Delete. Okay. Next option is you go inside the extrude command, extrude. Then here, sketch section. You select the sketch section, then select the required plane, then okay. Then you make the same sketch. I am going to make the same profile. So here like this. Then so okay, then finish. So automatically it is selecting like this. So if you want to remove the selection, you can press shift key and remove this. Then select, or shift and select like this. So these are the three options. First of all, okay, cancel, yes. So let me delete this also. Next, what we are going to do is, so we have to learn this limits. start value, end value, symmetric value, what it is. So we have already covered this first and second. Third is in the extrude we have limits. Let us say go for extrude. So sketch section and select the required plane, then OK. Then let us make the rectangle, symbol rectangle here. Okay, so the size is OK for us. Finish. Now you can see here start the value. So here if you check here we have value, symmetric value. First let us go for value. If I give the value, you can see start, here you have to define the distance. Okay, so you can see the arrow here. So if you want to pull like this, you can change the direction. So this direction is OK. Now I want to give some value here. Let us say some 15. So now what happened is from the sketching plane it got shifted towards 15 mm on the other side. So to get the 15 value, I have to give a negative value here. Okay. Similarly, if I drag this, I can modify like this. If I pull this one back, I can do like this. So here you can see this value is negative now. So according to your requirement, you can modify this value. This is the start and end values. Let us say if I go for symmetric value in the sense automatically it will maintain both sides equal. That means from the sketching plane 12 mm here and 12 mm here the value. Okay. Now that part is over. So if I go for again value, I can change the for next exercise. I want to change this little bit. Let us say 20. Let us say this like this. Now Boolean operation I am not going into it because here there is no much use for this Boolean. Next thing is, let us go here. So limits we have seen start value, symmetric value, end value. So symmetric value is for giving the extrude upside and downside the same value, and start value one dimension you can give, end value another dimension. Next is draft. So if I go here draft, by default it is none. Okay, let us say I want to give some draft here. So I can select, sorry, not here. I can select this from start limit. So from start limit means the you can see here. So this is considered as the start limit. Okay. So from there you can adjust the angular value to any required dimension. So where does the profile starts, from there it will adjust. So if I adjust this, let us orient it and see how it is front. So you can see from this point wherever the profile starts, from there it is maintaining the angle. Okay, that is the first one. If I change this to from section, so from section means what is happening? You see here from section, so this sketch end is considering as the starting point, and from there it is maintaining the angle. So if I drag this out, you can see here again that sketch section is considered as the starting point, and from there it is maintaining. Clear? Next is, okay, here I have option called single and multiple options. So if I select multiple, now I can define different angles. Say this face I want one angle, this face I want another angle, and here I want some other angle like this, and here another angle like this. So I can give different angle values on each face. This is the use of And please see that all the angles are starting from the section, okay. So I don't want that. Let me go to single. Then from section I am going to change from section asymmetric angle. So what does it mean? If I go to asymmetric angle, I can give one angle on this side and another angle on this side. So remember that it is taking as the sketch section as origin point. Same thing I can do for multiple also. If I select multiple, you can see here I can add one angle here, another one angle here, similarly on the other faces as well. So some angle you can do either side, need not be in the same side, can do any side, but for the purpose of demonstration I am showing everything on one side. So here you can see that, so asymmetric angle and multiple. Let us see next option, symmetric angle. So symmetric angle means whatever the angle you are, only one angle you can define, whatever the value you are defining here, that will be the considered as the angle value. If I give 15, it will maintain. Now one more option is there, from section matched ends. The meaning is that, see, this top edge and the bottom edge will have the same dimension. Okay, let me give OK. Now if I see the front view, you can see that this point and this point will lie on a same line. If I draw a line, this end point and this end point will lie. Similarly on any side, any of the side, if you check, it will be correct, because so let us see the top view, and let us change the shading portion also. So this wireframe. So if I see the wireframe, I am not able to see any line outside this. Let us change the value and see what is going to happen. So let me go here, extrude, edit parameters, and here I am going to change this symmetric angle. Let me change to symmetric angle and OK. Now let us see the top view. Now you can see one line is passing through this edge, another one is here. So similarly, if I check the front view, you can see that this is far away from this corner. Okay, let us make the shaded with edges. So that portion is also over. Angle options, all things I have explained. Now offset. So two-sided symmetric, that is also, it is there. So let us go here, edit parameters. Next, offset. Okay, let us remove the angle for the time being. Now go here, offset, single-sided. So how much you can give some value here. Then let us see. Okay. That means your sketch is somewhere else. If you see the edit parameters, your sketch is inside. So whatever the value you have given, it okay. Now it is clear. So your sketch is somewhere outside, but the profile you can adjust if the value is symmetric. Now single-sided, if I change to two-sided, I can again adjust two values, one value here, another value here. So you can see that. Okay, so that is the offset. Again, edit parameters. Now two-sided, if I want to make it symmetry, that is also possible. 4 mm, here you can enter the value. So that's it. Next, body type. Okay, so body type. So if I go here, edit parameters, and body type. Let us say now it is solid. If I change to sheet, okay, I will get a sheet here. So let us how to, so go here, view, edit section, and select. Oh, now this is okay. I think I need to cancel this because this one, edit parameters. Let us offset this none, then okay. Now you can see this is a sheet. Sheet means it is a surface. So we have seen all these things in the sketch. We can select the required plane and make the 2D sketch. From there you have two options. One is go to the completed sketch, select the sketch and go for extrude command. It will calculate all the internal islands and it will make the extrude. And other one is you go for the extrude command and select the curve one by one. Then next is select the extrude tool and select the plane and sketch section. Then in the extrude and we have a start value and we can define end value or symmetric value, whatever. The other few options are there, that is not applicable now. When there is a requirement, I will explain those things. Next is draft. You can add angles, single side or double side, from start limit, from section asymmetric angle, from section symmetric angle, from section matched ends. All these things I have explained. Then angle option, single and multiple, what it is. So it is applicable for one is from section and one is for asymmetric angle. Okay. Then next is offset. We have two-sided, symmetric, etc. Then body type, solid and sheet. Specify vector is nothing but you can control the extrusion direction. Let us delete this and see that also. So let me undo this, undo. So let us delete this. Okay, delete. Now first of all I will make a vector. Okay, for that I am going for sketch. So here, okay. So to show that I will draw a angular line. Let it be whatever may be the angle, no problem. Finish sketch. So this is the vector. Now what I will do, I will go for section sketch. So I am going to create a sketch here. So same rectangle I will make. Okay, let it be the sketch, then finish sketch. Now you can see here there is a line. So what I am going to do, I am going to extrude. This time I am going to convert into sheet. Okay, then first I will select the vector. So this vector, and now I will select this curve. Unable to create, I think the angle is more. Let us cancel it. So this I want to edit little bit. Let us like this. Okay, finish sketch. Now let us go for extrude, then go for sheet, then specify vector, this vector, then this curve. Change the section. Let me change to solid. Still it is something is not right. Okay, let me change this 0 and 9. Now also it is okay. Change the section. Let us see once again. Extrude, select this. So this I will change to 0. Then specify vector, this direction. Unable to create body, change the section. Okay, I will check open profile smart volume. So I think let us say point and direction, 2 points, 2 points. So this point and this point. Now it is working. Okay, right, cancel. So now you can do like this. So go for extrude, then select the profile, this profile. Now we will go for 2 points. So one this point and let us say middle point. Now you can see the extrude is happening at a predefined angle. So that is also possible. So that's all for this particular exercise. So Boolean operation we will see in the next session. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.